Come, little children, now take thee away. Welcome and welcome back. Today I have a special Halloween project for you. I am going to be crafting a book from the movie Hocus Pocus, and I can't wait to share it with you. So let's get started. When I went to the thrift store the other day, I was hoping to find a good book that I could use for this project. I ended up finding this journal for, I think it was $7 at Walmart. And I got this because I wanted to have a functional book. Not that I'll actually be using it, but because it'll mostly be for display. But I just wanted to have the added functionality of it being a journal if I wanted to use it as one. So while I was at Walmart, I also found this adhesive foam, and I thought it might be good to put on the outside of this journal to add a little bit of texture for gripping. For this project, I am going to use the air dry clay. I like this for this type of thing because of the weight of it. It's very lightweight. And I'm going to just roll it out really quickly with a little roller here. You can use a pasta machine too. That's actually easier if you have one. Once the dough is flattened out, I am going to remove it from my parchment paper that I am using to achieve a skin effect. And then I'm going to use this piece to form over my book. And I'm going to stretch it over to make sure it fits. And then I'll move on to the next step. So I decided to start with the snakes, and so I'm going to start with the 2 snakes that are on each corner of book. I'm going to add a little bit of texture to my snakes, snake scales, with my X-Acto knife here. All right, let's give our snakes some eye sockets and some eyeballs now. For the next part, I will add the wounds. Now, while we're waiting for the clay to dry, I have started fashioning a clasp for the book. The original has a lock and the circular piece goes around the eyeball. But to save time, I am going to make a clasp this way instead. I am using some twine that I found at the dollar store, and I've built it up and made a thick braid out of it. And then what I'm going to do is hot glue the clasp that I'm making into the back side of the book. I also found these super magnets that I got a long time ago, and they have been just sitting around, that I am going to use for the clasp on this project today. For the inside covers of book, I will be using this pretty paisley print paper.